Hey guys, it's Alex. Buenas tardes, soy Alex, and in this tutorial we're going to do all face. Thanks to these guys that requested a face tutorial. So I had mascara and bronzer in my crease, and then everything else we're going to go step by step and show you how to get it. My first step every single morning is applying our Maracuja See Brighter eye treatment. Next up, we have our Amazon Clay waterproof brow pencil. I'm obsessed with this foundation. Gives me the perfect base, matte, but still very natural. Now going in with our Shape Tape Contour Concealer. To make sure my makeup is locked down all day, I'm gonna use our Shape Tape setting powder. And I'm gonna go in with a Party Princess waterproof bronzer. Now for blush, I'm going in with my favorite shade of all time, and that's our Amazon Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Captivating. Now for my highlight, I'm gonna use our Tarte Lit Chrome Paint Highlighter, and here is the beauty right here. It's like a very creamy texture, so it looks like the sun is literally beaming on your face and shining in all the right places. This next thing I don't leave the house without, and it's actually our travel size Stay Spray setting spray. It's a perfect amount, perfect size. Love the mister, love the smell, love what it does for your skin. So this stays in my purse at all times, literally. Just gonna apply some gloss in the shade Do It All, and then we'll call it a day. Here we have my daily face routine. Whenever I'm wearing makeup, it's usually this, all these steps. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for all of the recommendations. It's really easy whenever I see the recommendations, because then I want to film something for you guys because you guys want to see it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Until next time, hasta la próxima vez. Ciao, tartelettes.